How to edit your profile on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit your profile on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and now click these three lines in top corner and then click settings, and here you will find not settings, click these three lines and then click on your profile, and here you will find edit, click on it and then just edit your profile. Just click on anything you want and change it and click save, and you can change your profile or anything you want here. Now just change it and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.